Yes, we are in the Lexusmobile, and today we're gonna be looking at some new cars and some old cars. Let's do it. Look, it's the Eiffel Tower. All right, so phase one is kind of failing. The area where the cars are is sort of over there, where you can see the fence behind the Eiffel Tower. But we can't really get there because there's a big fence in front of it. And we also heard that there were like 2 big dogs guarding it. We're kind of looking for a plan B right now, so we'll figure it out. Well, we found the place. The guy wasn't lying about the dogs. Yep, doesn't seem very friendly. Okay, so I'm car spotting here in a very uncomfortable position. Although the dogs seem to be getting more quiet now, so maybe they're getting tired of barking at us. These pictures are not great, I'm afraid, but it's the best we can do. Hey, we're back in the Lexusmobile, or Lexi should I say. So we just saw a lot of very expensive cars, and that was also the first time that I tried out, wait, I can show it, my new $50 fake GoPro camera, because I bought this on eBay a couple of weeks ago, and I have no idea if it's good quality or not, but I guess it's sort of okay. I mean, it's $50, so can't really expect too much, but I just used it, so I hope the images were cool. This is also really handy because I have a chauffeur now.
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna go to a beautiful place called Nieuwegein. But we're gonna be looking at some old Alfa Romeo cars or whatever. It was my driver's idea, so we'll see what happens.
Blame me.
So if it sucks, I am gonna blame him, but we'll see. Yeah, I guess somebody didn't really like this dealership. Maybe they got a bad deal. This looks like new, right? Totally new, minty, mint condition. that was our car spotting experience for today.
Yes.
We did not really see a lot of old cars, but we did see a lot of new, very expensive cars. I think it's a success.
Yes, and
All
I
right.
see a riser.
A ricer!
Yeah.
Lots of ricers here in Nieuwegein. Nieuwegein, the place to be. Alright guys, as always, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace!